Good morning, class. I am your teacher today. My name is Jesseline Guyo. Are you ready for a new lesson, class? Okay, before that, we will have an energizing so that everyone will not bored in our new discussion today. I have here a video presentation that I prepared for us. This song entitled Rain, Rain, Go Away. I want everybody to have a cooperation, participation, because this is very a fun and exciting song. Okay, class, are you ready? Okay, let's give a round of applause because we are done participating and sing a Rain, Rain, Go Away. Before that, are you ready for our new lesson topic, class? Okay, but before we start a new discussion, I have a recap. I want somebody raise hands who will remember our topic yesterday. Okay, Maria? Very good! It's all about lithosphere. Earth lithosphere. Since we discussed and tackled the discussion yesterday, now let's have a game called Scramble Word. I want everybody to have cooperation, participation, and I want also called a name who will go to the board and write a correct word in Earth lithosphere. Okay? For number 1, I want you, Maria, to go to the board. Number 2, Peter. And number 3, Anna. And number 4, Jose. And now you can go to the board and write the correct answer. Congratulations, everyone. So, since we know and you understand the last topic yesterday, let's have a new discussion today. Are you ready, class? Very good!
Good morning, everyone. Okay, again. Good morning, everyone. Okay, so I have a presentation here about the weathering, formation of soil, and erosion. Before we start the presentation, first is we will play a game. This game is called charade. Are you familiar with this game? Okay, sounds great. And now, I will divide you all into 3 groups. Each groups have a volunteer in front to guess the picture that I will place in the blackboard. And then, and the other members will give the clues to the player. And the one who got the correct answer will be the winner. Are we clear? Okay, good. Let's start. Thank you, class, for your participating, and congratulations to the group who win. Let's clap our hands to the winner. So now, let's start the presentation. I prepared this for you to understand more about the topic, which is the weathering, formation of soil, and erosion. So please watch the video and recognize the importance of weathering, formation of soil, and erosion. After watching the video, you will group again into 3, same with the groups earlier. Each group will be given a task to perform. It will have a leader and a reporter. Your task is you will be reporting what you have learned on the video, and you will be assigned what topic you will be reporting. Are we clear, class? Okay, so let's start. Very impressive, everyone! Congrats! So now, let's proceed to the other activity. I have pictures here showing what is weathering, formation of soil, and erosion. Each group will describe what is weathering, formation of soil, and erosion. So you must have a collaboration so that you can share your ideas and opinions with your group mates. And also, you can get easily done with your tasks, okay? Good! Let's start!
Okay, class, after answering your group activity, the group leader will be reported their outputs. So I will give only 5 minutes to present your outputs. So everyone is ready? Wow, everyone is doing a great job. So I want to give ourselves a very good clap. So Just follow me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. And now, everyone must be prepared. Why? Because I have some question about your reporting. And now, let Giseline will be answer my question. So, Giseline, please stand up and answer my question. This is the first question is, what are the 3 types of withering? Okay? Oh, Giseline has got a correct answer. Give her a clap. Okay, the 3 types of withering is physical withering, chemical withering, and biological withering. And now, but before we discuss these 3 types of withering, we need to discuss first the withering, formation of soil, and erosion. First is withering. Let Pedro will answer what is withering. Okay, you got a correct answer, Pedro. Withering is a changing of what? Of appearance. Very good. And this is the definition of withering. Withering is a key part of process of soil formation, and soil is critical to our existence on earth. In other words, we owe our existence to withering, and we need to take care of our what? Soil. And now, how about the soil formation? So, I will give the definition of soil formation. Soil formation is a process strongly driven by the boundary conditions for the soil system. It involves the 2 major processes. The first is slow chemical alteration by water seeping through the what? To the weathered rock material after rains. And the second is mixing of the rock materials. So that's called the soil formation. And now let's talk about erosion. Erosion is a geographical process in which earthen materials are worn away and transported by natural forces such as wind and water. So that's called erosion. When we say erosion, it came from transported by the wind and water. I am clear, class? Are everyone is still listening with me? Okay, if everyone is still listening with me, so let's continue our discussion. Our discussion is the 3 types of withering. Okay, what are the 3 types of withering? The physical, the chemical, and the biological withering. Okay, Maria, tell me what is physical withering. Okay, very good. So, physical withering is a rock that are broken down in smaller pieces, but the chemical composition of the rock are still the same and remain the same. And next is the chemical withering. Okay, when we say chemical withering, it is some opposite of the physical withering. Why? Because in physical withering, the chemical is still the same or remain the same, but in the chemical withering, the chemical is changes. So when we see chemical withering, it's occur when rock are broken down by a changing what? Changing chemical or chemical change. And let's proceed for the biological withering. When we see biological withering, take place when takes a place rock are run away by the living organism. Why? Because we need to when we say biological withering, we need to go away from this because it's possible that there some happen a rock slide. That's called a biological withering. And now let's summarize our discussion through making a song, and I will group you into 3 groups. The first group will make a first stanza, and the second group will be make a second stanza, and the third group will be make a third stanza. So it's called a community singing, and then we will combine them and sing it together with a tone of Bahay Kobo. Wow! Congratulations! Every one of your compos are very nice, but there's some activity more. It's called the role playing. Okay, I know every one of you are excited for our role playing. And now, with your same group, I will give you for your role playing. The group 1 will be role playing the weathering, and the group 2 will be the formation of soil, and the group 3 will be the erosion. And the criteria will be cooperation 50%, mastery 30%, and audience impact 20%, as total of 100%. Now, I have a question. If you are in your group, what you will do? Okay, very good. You need to have a cooperation. Okay, and of course, before I forget, I will give you a 15 minutes to practice and represent your role playing according to your assigned group in a 3 to 5 minutes only. I am clear, class? Okay. Okay, everyone has a great role playing. Since everyone understand our topic today, I will give you a short quiz. Don't worry, it is only a short quiz, okay? And now, get one fourth sheet of paper, and write your name, section, and answer the following question. Okay? For your assignment class, research and advanced study for the materials of the earth. And that's all for today. And let's stand together and we will make a prayer for our end discussion.